Hi children, this is Saujanya. Welcome to e-Manabadi. Today we are going to talk about problems on addition and subtraction of fractions. And before going to that, let's see. Here is a question for you. Is 49 by 64 in its simplest form? And if you are not aware of simplest forms, the link was given in the description below. Please follow the link. And if you know the answer for this, please comment on the comment section. And coming to the problems on the fractions, write these fractions appropriately as additions or subtractions. Here, let's write the fractions first. For this, the fraction is out of 5 equal parts, one part is shaded, so the fraction becomes 1 upon 5. And out of 5 equal parts, 2 parts are shaded. Now the fraction becomes 2 out of 5, 2 upon 5. And here 3 parts are shaded out of 5 equal parts. So we are writing 3 by 5. And so you know that 1 plus 2 equal to 3. So here we can put plus sign here. And here if you write the fraction, 5 parts are shared out of 5 equal parts. Here 3 parts are shared out of 5 equal parts. Here the fraction becomes 2 parts are shared out of 5 equal parts. You know that 5 minus 3 equal to 2. So in this, these 3 parts are left out from the 5 parts. So it became 2. So we can write it as minus sign here. And here also out of 6 equal parts, 2 parts are shared, and out of 6 equal parts, 3 parts are shaded, and here out of 6 equal parts, 5 parts are shaded. So here you know that 2 plus 3 equal to 5. So we can write plus sign here. And coming to the next one, here these two are like fractions. So you know that in like fractions, the denominators are so same. So we can add the numerators directly. So if you add the numerators directly, here 1 plus 1 is 2 and you need to retain the denominator. This becomes 2 by 18. And here also these are the like fractions. So we can add the numerators and retain the denominator. Here 8 plus 3 is nothing but 11 and need to retain the denominator. And here also these are the like fractions. So we can directly subtract the numerators. You know that 7 minus 5 is nothing but 2. You need to retain the common denominator. And here also 1 plus 21 is nothing but 22. And common denominator is 22. So it is nothing but 22 by 22 is nothing but 1. And here these are the like fractions. So we can subtract the numerators directly, and it is nothing but 12 minus 7 is nothing but 5, and we need to retain the common denominator, and it is nothing but 1 upon 3. And here also these are the like fractions, so we can directly add the numerators, and here it is 8 by 8 is nothing but 1. And here this 1 can be written as 3 by 3, and if you write 3 by 3, we can directly subtract the numerator. So 3 minus 2 is nothing but 1 and retain the common denominator. And here also these are the like fractions. 1 plus 0 is nothing but 1. So this is the 1 by 4. And here this 3 can be written as 15 by 5 minus 12 by 5. And these are the like fractions. So we can directly subtract the numerators. 15 minus 12 is nothing but 3, and we can retain the common denominator, that is nothing but 3 by 5. And here Shubham painted 2/3 of the wall space in his room, and his sister Madhavi helped and painted 1/3 of the wall space. Here Shubham painted wall equal to 2/3 and sister painted wall equal to 1/3. So together painted equal to, here they are asking together painting. So we can add the fractions. Here 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. These are the like fractions. So we can directly add the numerators 1 plus 2 by and retain the common denominator. This is nothing but 3 by 3. That is equal to 1. So they together painted the whole wall. And Javed was given 5/7 of a basket of oranges. What fraction of oranges was left in the basket? Suppose here you have a basket. Here they have given 5/7. That means 5/7 is nothing but, in the basket there are 7 oranges, and in that 5 oranges was given to Javed. So this 5 oranges was given to Javed and remaining was 2 oranges. So 2/7 oranges was left in the basket, and this you can also solve as, suppose this basket you can take it as a whole, one whole basket. From one whole basket you have given 5/7 of oranges. So this one can be written as 7 by 7 minus 5 by 7. These are the like fractions. So we can directly subtract the numerators and retain the denominator. And here it is nothing but 2/7 of oranges was left in the basket. And fill in the mixing fractions. Here 7 by 10 minus, suppose this box is x and suppose this 3 by 10 comes here, 7 by 10 minus 3 by 10, because it is a plus sign. If it comes this side, it becomes minus sign. So 7 by 10 minus 3 by 10. These are the like fractions. We can directly subtract the numerators and retain the common denominator. This is nothing but 4 by 10, and here you can write as 4 by 10. And also you know that 7 minus 4 is equal to 3, so you can write as 4 by 10. And here if it comes this side, it becomes plus 3 by 21, because here it is minus sign. If it comes this side, it will become plus sign. So here these are the like fractions, and we can directly add the numerators and retain the common denominator. So here it is nothing but 8 by 21. Here you can write as 8 by 21. And here also, if this 3 by 6 comes this side, it becomes 3 by 6. And this is nothing but, these are the like fractions. So we can directly add the numerators and retain the common denominator. And this is nothing but 6 by 6. So we can write here as 6 by 6. And here also this is nothing but 1. And here if this 5 by 27 comes this side, here it is plus sign, so it will become minus sign here. This is nothing but, these are the like fractions, so we can directly subtract the numerators and write the denominator. So here it is nothing but 7 by 27. So we can write as 7, here we can write as 7 by 27. And coming to the next one, here this is the fun and learn time question. This was asked in my last session. If you solve this, you get 1/5 of a bottle of juice and your sister gets one third of the same size of. Here these are the juice glasses that they are the same size. So suppose this is the 1/5 bottle. So we are dividing this bottle into 5 equal parts. These are the 5 equal parts, and this bottle, this is your sister bottle, this is your bottle, and this is your sister bottle, and your sister got one third of the same size of the bottle, and your sister got the same juice bottle is divided into 3 equal parts. Here this is the 3, the same bottle is divided into 3 equal parts, and now you have got 1/5, so you have got this much pot as your portion, and your sister got this much pot as her portion, and this is nothing but 1/5. This is the 1/5 portion, and this is the 1/3 portion. You know that this portion is greater than the this portion, so 1/3 is greater than 1/5. You can solve like this, or you can also solve. See, these are the unlike fractions with same numerator. So you know that in unlike fractions with same numerator, the greater denominator is smaller and smaller denominator is greater. So here 3 is the smaller denominator, so we can write it as 1/3 is greater than 1/5. And this is about problems on fractions. Please do share, subscribe and like.